Hi, I'm Renita, student of Vishal Saini's High Workshop. Today was day one, which was amazing with where lot of revelations came forth. Love the way he explains in detail and with validation. And his diet's about health, uh, like simple diet for fever, cold, uh, cough, loose motion, and vomiting was amazing. Where you can handle yourself at home, and nasal irrigation or gel niti was also good, and how MRP, not maximum retail price, but how milk products, refined products, and packaged products affect our body and mind and health. So also, the explanation about EMF, that is electromagnetic field, and how the Wi-Fi, cell phones, electric and electronic gadgets affect our body was mind-blowing. Thank you, Vishal, for awakening us to the numerous ways of living healthily, and but yet in a very simple and effective way. Thank you once again.